I remember a wonderful incident from the life of Srila Prabhupada. As we all know, Srila Prabhupada sent few of his disciples to London, those initial years, to establish a center in London, London being a very important city in the world. So first year there was a big struggle, they couldn't find a proper place, forget about setting a temple, even to live. So they struggled quite a bit. Fortunately, they came in touch with the Beatles group, George Harrison and John Lennon. And they had a huge estate on the outskirts of the London city. And when they heard about the devotees, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, they were quite impressed. And they agreed the devotees to stay in their estate, on the condition that they can also help in doing some activities like gardening and some other things which are required for maintaining the estate. The devotees agreed. They were provided a space. In the same estate, there was another couple staying in a house who all of a sudden, one fine day, started complaining that they are hearing a weird sound in the night. And because of this weird sound, this gentleman couldn't sleep the whole night. It happened the first day, the second day. It was happening every night. And as a result, he couldn't sleep. And because he was not able to get proper rest in the night, it started affecting his even work in the office. He even started fearing that if he continues like this, he might even lose his job. So they approached the devotees, and they even approached John Lennon, who probably thought that there is some kind of a ghost, and even called for an exorcist. He came, he tried different things, and finally gave up, saying that looks like the ghost here is very, very powerful. I don't think I can do much. In other words, he gave up. Next, when Srila Prabhupada came to London, devotees approached Srila Prabhupada and told him about this particular house, this couple, and how this house has been ghostly haunted. So Srila Prabhupada said, so, drive the ghost away. As if it was a very simple thing for him to do. He gave them 3 simple things to do. First, do loud kirtan, blow the conch shell, and third, offer water to Lord Shri Krishna and sprinkle that water in the house. So as instructed, devotees did all these 3 things, blew loud conch shell, did kirtans, and offered water to Lord Shri Krishna and sprinkled all over the house. In fact, did kirtan for 4 hours. And then told the couple that now the ghost has been driven away, you can go and take rest. Next day morning, when they were asked, did you get sound sleep? Did you get the same sound what you were getting in the night? The couple said no. It was a very peaceful, nice sleep. Although we cannot use the holy name of the Lord for some ulterior purpose, but when we chant the holy name of the Lord, it drives away all inauspiciousness from our lives and ushers in good fortune and all auspiciousness. So it is important, especially in this age of Kali, that we chant the names of the Lord and make our lives all auspicious. Hare Krishna.